Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Kirit Somaiya approaches Bombay High Court against news channel and two individuals in defamation case. Seeks ₹100 crores in damages. Biological father and not husband of child's mother liable to maintain his child, holds Delhi High Court. Law Commission of India meets Kovind panel on One Nation, One Election. Delhi government extends electric vehicle policy till December 31st. Rajasthan CM's son summoned by ED for alleged contravention of foreign exchange law. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. Former MP and BJP leader Kirit Somaiya has filed 3 defamation suits before the High Court of Bombay against leader of opposition in Maharashtra Legislative Council, Ambadas Danve, a news channel Lok Shahi, and one YouTuber Anil Thate, who allegedly uploaded an obscene video of Somaiya. Somaiya has sought damages of ₹100 crores from each of the defendants, claiming all 3 of them have made derogatory and defamatory remarks against him with regard to the video uploaded on YouTube. He also sought that the video be taken down from the YouTube channel run by Thate, and he be restrained from uploading more such content against Somaiya in the future. The BJP leader also sought an unconditional apology from the news channel, along with the 2 individuals, for tarnishing his reputation. A single-judge bench of the High Court comprising Justice S.M. Modak heard Somaiya's plea and issued notices to the news channel Danve and Thate and directed them to file their affidavits before the court within 4 weeks. Justice Swarnikanta Sharma of the Delhi High Court, while taking into account a DNA test placed on record, observed that the biological father is liable to maintain his child and not the husband of child's biological mother. The High Court upheld the order passed by the trial court that denied maintenance to a child born after 1 month of the marriage between the parties. The counsel for the wife argued that since the child was born during the subsistence of the marriage, the presumption specified under Section 112 of the Indian Evidence Act will be in favor of the wife. The High Court, however, observed that the husband in the present case cannot be held liable for the maintenance of the child, even though the child was born during the subsistence of marriage, as according to the DNA report, he was not the biological father of the child. Justice Sharma further stated that the law is settled and the biological father is liable to maintain his child. The Law Commission of India, headed by Justice Ritu Rajavasthi, presented a plan for One Nation, One Election to the high-level committee constituted in this regard and headed by the former President of India, Ramnath Kovind. The Kovind panel has been mandated to examine the possibility of holding elections of the Lok Sabha, assemblies, panchayats and municipalities simultaneously at one point in time throughout the country. Justice Awasthi gave a detailed presentation on the way forward to hold simultaneous elections in the nation. The Law Commission suggested a roadmap that includes changes required in the Constitution, and it is also working to synchronize all polls until the conduct of the Lok Sabha 2029 elections. The meeting was attended by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, Senior Advocate Harish Salve, among others. The Delhi government has decided to extend its existing electric vehicle policy till December 31st, or till a new policy, the Delhi EV Policy 2.0, comes into effect, whichever is earlier. The Transport Minister of Delhi, Kailash Gehlot, made the announcement and said that all incentives and subsidies given under the existing policy will continue until the new policy is notified. He also said that the new policy is under works and in the final stages and will be notified soon after attaining necessary approvals. The Delhi EV policy, which was a flagship initiative of the Aam Aadmi Party-led state government, was first introduced in August 2020 and expired in August 2023. After the expiration, the registration of all categories of electric vehicles was halted briefly in the capital, which led to the government to extend the policy. Notably, the policy aimed to address environmental pollution concerns by making 2 significant changes. First, the transition of public buses from CNG to electric buses, and second was encouraging state residents to opt for electric vehicles by subsidizing the same, with the aim of having 25% of all new vehicles to be electric vehicles in the national capital. Kailash Gehlot, in his announcement for extending the existing policy, highlighted that the new EV policy represents the final phase of the policy, which focuses on the transition of commercial vehicles to electric vehicles for the reduction of pollution in the capital. He also said that the new policy aims that beyond 2030, all vehicles in the capital are expected to be electric. The Enforcement Directorate has summoned Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's son, Vaibhav Gehlot, in a foreign exchange violation case. The authority summoned Vaibhav for questioning in the case of alleged contravention of Foreign Exchange Management Act of 1999 and asked him to appear before its offices in Jaipur or New Delhi on October 27th. The summons are linked to raids conducted by the ED recently on Rajasthan-based hospitality group, Triton Hotels and Resorts, along with Vardha Enterprises and its promoters and directors. One of the accused in the money laundering case, Ratan Kant Sharma, is the business partner of Vaibhav Gehlot in one car rental service business, and hence the link was established owing to the recovery of unaccounted cash of Rs 1.2 crores during the raids. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.